Hi, I'm Jeff with Denver Auto Shield. Thank you very much for the opportunity to help you protect your new car. I wanted to take some time today to walk you through each working area of our facility and discuss exactly how that section of the shop contributes to the quality of the final result. Let's start with our indoor wash bay. Each project begins with a complete cleaning and decontamination of every surface of the vehicle. We're able to do this indoors in a controlled environment for a perfectly prepped car. A clean working environment is extremely important. Our shop is temperature controlled with an air filtration system running constantly to pick up loose dirt and contaminant. Our two-post lift allows easy access to hard-to-reach areas like aggressive bumper designs and lower rocker panels. We utilize the Expel DAP software and the Graphtec plotter to safely and uniformly custom design each area of coverage for your car, wrapping every possible edge for an extremely clean installation. Now that you have a behind-the-scenes look at what we feel sets us apart in terms of preparation and attention to detail, we look forward to meeting you and helping you enjoy your new car by protecting the paint and other surfaces from damage during daily use.